Today topic of lecture innovation in product development. What is innovation? Innovation means new, change. It is called a innovation. Innovation in product development. New in the product or product development. It is called a innovation in product development. Product innovation is defined as the development of new products, change in design of established products, or use of new materials or components in the manufacturing of established products. It is called a product innovation. Product innovation means as the development of new products, change in design of established products, or use of new materials or components in the manufacture of established product. It is called a product innovation. Product innovation means new products or develop the new products, new items, already existing products, available products, some changes, some modifications, some extension or features or quality or color or size or packing, all are etc. Change or new compared to the difference previous product and present product. It is called a innovation in product development. Next one is types of innovations. Innovations are different types. Basically divided the two types. First one is radical innovation. Second one is incremental innovation. These all are two types of innovations. These all are two types of innovations. First one is radical innovation. Next one is incremental innovation. What is radical innovation? Radical innovation which aims or objective at developing a new product or new services. In this type of innovation, main objectives, main aims, develop the new products or new services. It is called a radical innovation. Next one is incremental innovation. What is incremental innovation? Which aim or objective at improving existing product and services. It is called a incremental innovation. Incremental innovation means already existing products, already running products, some improve, some develop any features or quality or size, all are etc. developed. It is called a incremental innovation. Next one is advantages of product innovation. Product innovation, different advantages, different merits. That all are as follows. First one is it create a culture. Next one, it help to brand attractive. It help to brand attractive. Next one, it can grow a professional. Next one, consumers want to test new product. Next one, growing market. Next one, reducing cost. These all are advantages of innovation of product development. First one is it create a culture. Next one, it help to brand attractive. Next one, it can grow a professional. Next one, consumer want to test new product. Next one, growing market. Last one, reduce cost. These all are advantages of innovation of product. That one by one I explain now. First one is create a culture. Create a culture. This innovation is the new products, new technology, new features. That use of the create the culture, change of taste, habits, improve the people's culture, fashion. You compare the previous, you present situationally, cultural, different fashions or different models. So that use the develop the culture. You compare the previous peoples, some new models, new technology use. That one of the growth of people's culture, behavior, fashions, habits, styles, etc. Next one is it help to the brand attractive. What is brand? Brand means company name. Any company introduce a new product in the market or new features, all are new. That is some people's also attractive. So and so company, you introduce the new product that features that use you advertising mouth announcements automatically. Any one company introduce the new technology, so and so company, you establish the new product, release the new product. That is a mouth campaign. That is of the increase the sales of our company products. This is one of the advantage. Next one is it can grow a professionals. Grow mean improve, development. Professionals mean technicians or creators, particular field. Innovators, new features, new ideas, new products. If this innovation is the improve the type of professionals, develop our knowledge. Use innovation. No innovation, you not try the new ideas or think. Already you introduce the innovations. Every person or employees or workers, you think. You once say think, you new ideas, new thoughts in the mind. That is of the creation of new items, new product. So innovation is the use, improve the professionals in the innovation or innovators. Some get the more opportunities, that field, that type of employees and workers. This is one of the advantage of innovation in the product development. Next one is consumers want to test new product. Consumers mean users or buyers, purchase persons. Some consumers also you interest, like every new product you testing first. Any new product, that person's also mentality, attitude. Any one new market, new product in market, immediately purchase. You test that features, advantages, that use, all are etc. Some users or consumers you want, that person's also behavior, mentality. You testing the new product. The type of users or consumers, this use of the innovation. That is one of the advantage. Next one is growing market. Market also buying and selling. Our product also innovation. Our new features, new technology. Use the production, more benefits of new product, more problems solve the new product. That use of our marketing, sales are increase. Some persons also attractive, new product, new features, new technology, all are that market also improve. That is of the sales is increase, sales also increase, our income also increase, income increase, or profit also increase. This is one of the advantages of the innovation in product. Next, last one is reducing cost. Cost means expenditure, product cost. Reduce means decrease, you low. Innovation use of the decrease the cost of product. Why? This use the new technology, new missions, new equipments, all are you use for manufacturing our new product. So that production is more, save time, save money, that get the more product. More product also, our some expenditure also decrease. Not manpower also more required. Use of a new technology, new missions, new equipments for production of new product. That employees also, cost also reduce. So this is one of the advantage, reduce the product cost. That cost also low, our product price also low. Low price products, you more consumers, more purchase persons, you willing to the our product purchase. Our product more users, consumers, customers purchase, sales is increase. Sales also increase, profit and income also increase. So this is one of the advantages of innovation in product development. These all are advantages of innovation in product development. First one is it create a culture. It help to brand attractive. It can grow a professional. Next one, consumers want to test new product. Growing market. Last one is reducing cost. Next is the disadvantages of the innovation of product development, product innovation. Some disadvantages, some demerits have in the innovation of product. That all are as follows. First one is product can fail unexpectedly. First one is product can fail unexpectedly. External sources can change. Product testing can result in failed idea. Employees loss of jobs. Setup cost. These all are disadvantages of product innovation, demerits. One by one I explain now. First one is product can fail unexpectedly. Our production also new product, you expect more in the market. Unexpectedly that market product is fail, some problems arise in the market, that is more losses. That is one of the disadvantage. You are expected more in market. For the example, some pictures, cinema, films, more spend the so the amount invest films, more expect you more profits. Some films also finally implement in the market fail. That film is the utter flop. That time also more losses. That starting also more expect you film producers or in future unexpectedly that film is fail, so get the more losses. This is one of the disadvantage. Any product, new product you introduce or some failures also, that is face the more loss. This is one of the disadvantage. That is not fail, you success, get the more profits. Unexpectedly fail our product in the market, get the more losses. This is one of the disadvantage. Next one is external sources can change. Any product you manufacturing, you depend the others. You produce the new product, some technology required new outside. That companies also, our contract companies or suppliers or equipments and missions or material, some face the problems that close the business. That time also you not in time supply the our requirement items or missions and equipments or material, you not in time you manufacture the new product. That affect also our total business. More time spend the release the new product, some excess of the unnecessary expenditures. This is one of the disadvantage. Affect the outsiders or suppliers of material, suppliers of equipments and missions. That is effect. This is one of the disadvantage. Next one is product testing can result in failed idea. Product development process also different stages. Already you prepare previous classes. You are known previous classes. Any our product some middle testing time, our idea is failed, not accept the market testing, or feedback is very bad. That previous all process also some expenditure spend the this new product purpose, that all are loss. Your idea is the failed in testing time. That is one of the disadvantage. that affect of our business. Next one is employees loss of jobs. This innovation of new product. That purpose you use the new machines and equipments. That time also manpower is not required. That place you establish the machines and equipments. So some employees also use job loss. That all our employees you face the so many problems in society or public. This is one of the disadvantage. Already existing employees, you lost the job. Innovation of product and development. This is one of the disadvantage. Last one is setup cost. Setup means you starting any innovation, you product introduce, you require the some machines and equipments, new technology missions for innovation of your product. That purpose also more spend the amount. It is a starting time, more investment. Invest that technology purpose. Some small businesses, small companies, small industries not bear that amount. You starting the product, new products. So this innovation or use the big companies, big institutions, big organizations. You better. This is one of the disadvantage. Small institutions, small businesses, small companies not bear the more investment starting time. It is a one of the disadvantage of the innovation of production. These all are disadvantages of the innovation in production. First one is product can fail unexpectedly. Next one is external source can change. Next one is product testing can result in failed ideas. Next one is employees loss of jobs. Last one is setup cost. Today class is the what is innovation in product. Types of innovation in product. Advantages and disadvantages of innovation in product. This topic is over. Thank you. This unit also over. This last topic. Next will be start the second unit.